Come to the starting of endocrine system. So what is endocrine system? This is a system of a group of glands that produce hormones. You can see some glands here: pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, adrenals, endocrine pancreas. Okay, so these hormones, they help in further growth, development, metabolism and reproductive functions, as you can see here. So in the endocrine system, we'll be discussing about general principles of endocrinology, pituitary gland and the associated applied aspect, thyroid gland and applied aspect, adrenal gland and the applied aspect, calcium homeostasis and the calciotropic hormones, pancreatic hormones and their applied aspect, physiology of thymus and pineal gland. So endocrine glands, these are the group of glands that produce hormones. Okay, so these are basically the ductless glands. Okay, and the chemical messengers of the hormones, these are poured directly into the bloodstream through which they reach the target organs. So we can say that the site of origin and the site of action, these are different. Okay. Now about the type of hormones. First are the endocrine hormones that we had talked about. These are secreted by specific endocrine glands or ductless glands. I have talked about this. You can see the examples like growth hormone, thyroid hormone, insulin, catecholamines, aldosterone, glucocorticoids, melatonin, etc. Now there is a word called as paracrine. So paracrine hormones, these are the hormones acting on the tissues lying close or nearby the site of production instead of getting poured into the bloodstream. Okay, so you can see the example here. Somatostatin secreted by the delta cell of pancreas controls the activity of alpha and the beta pancreatic cells. Now autocrine. Auto means self. They regulate the activity of same cell from which these are secreted. Okay. Example is prostaglandins. Another term is neurohormone. These are secreted from the axonal terminals and are released into the bloodstream. Hypothalamic releasing hormone are the examples. So in this diagram, you can see the mechanism of action or chemical signaling of these hormones. You can see autocrine, in which a cell is targeting itself. Then about paracrine and the endocrine hormones.